What's going on YouTube? Armani, that car addict, back you guys with a brand new video, and today I am here at RP Exotics on my day off just to do an inventory video for you guys for the channel since I work here now. So nobody's here, just me. I was getting some other work done, but what I do here now is I am an inventory coordinator, so that means I will take pictures of the cars and put them on the website. And also, when they come in off of transport, check them in, make sure everything's good, make sure there's nothing completely wrong with the car, or otherwise we will not accept the car. So, yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a general rundown of what we got in our inventory right now. So, first, right here is a 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. This is actually a lime green, or slime green, what I like to call it. And if you guys know that one song by Ray Sherman, slime green paint, peanut butter insides, you know that's how it goes. But this is the actual exterior color. I'm not so keen on the paint coat for that gray color, but it is nice overall, and it runs and drives well. Over here we have a 1999 Ferrari 355 Spider. We have a 2016 Lamborghini Gallardo 610-4 Spider. And we got over here a Papaya Spark 720S. One of the best colors that McLaren has came out with. And then, this is a 2020 McLaren 720S, by the way. This right here is a 2016 Ferrari California. I'm sorry, 2013. I'm getting the cars wrong. And this is a 2015 Carrera 4S. Nice paint job on it. Runs and drives very well. And all these cars I'm showing you, I will let you guys know if they're on the website at the moment or not, or when I will be listing them on the website. So this one right here, this is nuts. A 2008 997 turbo, excuse me. And this just got dropped off to us this past week. As you can see, you got a nice tow hook there. Just wait till you see the interior of this thing. The previous owner has Recaro seats put in it, seat harnesses in it, and as you can see back here, the roll cage, the option with a different steering wheel and a longer shifter. If you guys go on RP Exotics on YouTube, me and Alex, the other guy that helps run this place, we did a driving video on that, and I gotta tell you, the turbos kick in on this thing and it's nuts. It has a fab speed exhaust and some carbon fiber bits on the interior, not the interior, on the engine bay as well. So we're gonna keep on going. Got an 06 06 Carrera, and then we got another Carrera here. But this one is a, sorry, I'm forgetting the years. This is a 2011 Carrera. I hate i8s, but that's just me. Not hate, I dislike i8s. There you go. Nice, sexy golf cart. We just got this in, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be listing it anytime soon. But if you guys like this, it will be on the website within the week. We just got this in yesterday. Today is Saturday. I'm not sure on the year of the car. I think it's like 08 Murcielago Spider. 2007 Jaguar XK Spider. Not Spider, convertible I should say. Alfa Romeo Giulia. I'm not sure what year it is. We got a 190 SL up here. 2002 Viper. 2015, I think. 2015 Boxster. I think this Bentley is a customer's car, but he's just keeping it here for the weekend. This Honda S2000 only has 827 miles on it, if you can believe that. We got a 2016 Bentley Continental. It's convertible. I'm gonna get to that one last. So we got a Bel Air up there. Then we got a wrapped E92 M3 right here. Underneath that is I think it's wolf gray or metallic. It's a metallic gray under that paint job. C63 AMG. Numbers matching Chevelle SS. That's going for a lot on the website. 2016 GTR. 2016 Corvette Z06. This C1 Corvette is a customer's car, just here for storage. 994 Porsche right here. I think this is sold. I'm not sure. I have to talk with the guys Monday about that. And the Bronco is sold as well. Not sure where they're going, but you guys will see on my Instagram later on if they are sold or not. This Backdraft Cobra has a Grigio Telesto paint from Lamborghini. G65 AMG. As you can see, it has the V12 on it. You got a Maserati Gran Turismo right here. That's 07? No, 09, I'm sorry. I'm getting all the numbers mixed up with different cars. 2011 Cadillac CTS-V wagon. One of my favorite cars here so far. It's a stick shift and it only has 7,300 miles on it. It's clean through and through. As you can see, it comes with a ski box on top. Oh, wow, zoomed in. Got a 07 GT500 up there. I think it's rated, I think it's modified, so it's around 650 to the wheel, if I'm not wrong. And then back here, we have a Cayman S, 2017 Cayman S. It's a stick shift as well. And last but not least, this big boy right here. If you know, you know. If it says T1 and it's a GTR, you know it has to be fast. So this GTR is rated between 15 to 2,000 horsepower on a good day. And it's nuts. I've seen Parker drive it beside me one day, and it's freaking nuts. So this is actually sold, going to one of our wholesalers' friends. So I don't know. It's crazy. I wish I could have got in it. Wish I could have got in it and made a video for you guys, but that's a bad car right there. But yep, this is inventory video of RP Exotics. We keep getting cars every week. Sometimes we'll get, hell, last Monday we got 4 Porsches in at once, and 3 of them are gone now. So we still got, well, and in total we had 9. I'll just say that. But other than that, yep, this is where I work now. This is the inventory video RP Exotic. I forgot to mention that we also have a 2020 Raptor that'll be on the website next week. It's over getting some work done. And also we have a 2007 Hummer H2 limited edition. Not sure why it's called limited edition, but if you guys want, you can go on the website rpexotics.com, check out all these cars that you like. And if you are considering purchasing a vehicle from us, please let me know, and or tell Parker and Alex that Armani's hit you, and make sure you make an appointment first. Don't just come in here without making an appointment, because we're going by appointments only by now. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
She get on my nerves till I ain't got no nerves left. I come out bustin', my diamonds cold like they Russian. I might spend thousands for nothing. Shoe bottoms red like they blushing. Bands in my pockets, I'm stuffing. Shorty, my girl David Ruffin. She on my head like concussion. Stay with a tool like construction.